Welcome back to my YouTube channel Autovista 360. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we start the video, without wasting your precious time. Unveiling the Dacia Duster 2024, a leap into the future of SUVs. The automotive industry is witnessing a new chapter with the launch of the Dacia Duster 2024, a vehicle that promises to redefine the standards of affordable SUVs. With a combination of style, performance, and innovation, the Dacia Duster 2024 is set to make a significant impact in the market. The Dacia Duster has always been known for its robust and rugged design, and the 2024 model continues this tradition while adding a touch of modernity. With sleeker lines and an aerodynamic profile, the Duster 2024 not only exudes confidence on the road but also showcases Dacia's commitment to keeping up with contemporary design trends. Step inside the Dacia Duster 2024, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin that caters to both driver and passengers. The interior boasts high-quality materials, ergonomic design, and ample legroom, providing a pleasant driving experience. Technological advancements take center stage with a user-friendly infotainment system, smart connectivity options, and an array of driver assistance features, making every journey enjoyable and safe. Under the hood, the Dacia Duster 2024 packs a punch with improved performance features. The engine options deliver a balance between power and fuel efficiency, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. Whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road terrains, the Duster 2024 proves to be a versatile companion for drivers who seek adventure without compromising on performance. Safety is a top priority for Dacia, and the Duster 2024 is equipped with an enhanced safety suite. From advanced driver assistance systems to reinforced structural integrity, this SUV is designed to provide peace of mind on the road. Whether it's urban commuting or off-road exploration, the Dacia Duster 2024 keeps occupants protected with its comprehensive safety features. Dacia has always been synonymous with affordability, and the Duster 2024 continues this legacy. Offering a compelling package of features at a competitive price point, this SUV caters to budget-conscious consumers without compromising on quality. The Duster 2024 stands out as an attractive option for those seeking value for their money. In conclusion, the Dacia Duster 2024 represents a bold step forward for the brand, combining modern design, advanced technology, improved performance, and enhanced safety features, all while maintaining its affordability. This SUV is not just a means of transportation, it's a statement of style, reliability, and adaptability. As Dacia continues to push boundaries, the Duster 2024 emerges as a frontrunner in the ever-evolving landscape of SUVs.